Let me show you a demonstration of ground guidance using Google Earth to render the map. What you're looking at on the screen is Yosemite National Park. In this lower area is Yosemite Valley. Up here is the Half Dome, the highest point at Yosemite National Park. I'm going to click a point in the valley, click another point at the top of the Half Dome. What's happening now is ground guidance is generating a fast off-road route for a dismounted soldier from the start point to the end point. If I zoom out, you can see the route. It's in blue. It takes about 6 seconds to generate this route. It takes about 6 hours to traverse the route. If I zoom in on the Half Dome, you can see some of the underlying data that was used to generate this route. This is what we call the cost grid. It's color-coded to indicate the speed at which you can traverse the terrain. Green areas are fast, red areas are slow, black areas are impassable. So roads and trails show up as bright green, rivers, streams show up as red, indicating that they're passable but slow. Steep areas show up as black. So the Half Dome here is surrounded by black, indicating it's too steep to traverse. On the back side of the Half Dome, however, is a passable area, and that's what the route takes advantage of to get to its destination. I'll clear this cost grid and go back to the aerial imagery. Click the fly through button to show you what it looks like to traverse this route. So here the route starts off in a field, takes advantage of the open areas, crosses a bridge, then it moves along trails, roads, other flat areas, avoiding steep inclines to get to your destination. This is Pirzadeh village in Kandahar province, Afghanistan. Move along the road here a little bit. Show you a demonstration of the view shed or inner visibility tool. Here I can click the map. I clicked the road, so from that location that I clicked, one can see quite a distance in either direction down the road, a short distance into the urban areas. I'll click a more open location. There we can see quite a ways through the open areas, but again our view is obstructed by buildings. I'll clear both of those from the map, zoom in on this urban area. I'll click a couple points on the map and show you what that looks like. So here's a dismounted route, fastest route from one point to another in this densely urban area, taking into account buildings, walls, and other features that can be derived from aerial imagery and LiDAR data. I'll click a couple of additional points on the map. On either side of this built-up area, what you'll see show up in green is a route through that terrain. Again, using open passageways, avoiding buildings, walls, and other obstacles to get to where you're going.